Okay, Greek salad. Grab your cucumbers. What I like to do is go down with strips, and then that way you kind of have a fun design. So I just cut the strips. Now I'm going to cut them. I'm just cutting them into thin slices and bite-sized pieces. And I do this by cutting it in half, cutting it in half again, and then cutting it. Now we're going to add a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. And now I've got 4 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to cut these up in chunks and put them in as well. Veggies cut up. Now I'm going to add some Greek olives. These ones are the Kalamata. I buy the ones that are already pitted. That way I don't have to do too much. Now I'm going to cut up some red onion. Now you don't have to do this, but I go ahead and put my red onions in some cold water for a few minutes. That way I can get some of that oniony taste and flavor and smell out so nobody has rancid breath. You do have to pat them dry, so go ahead and do that and then put them in your bowl. Make sure when you do your salad, you get a bowl that's big enough. For seasoning, I'm doing onion powder, dill, parsley, oregano, salt, and pepper. Now we're going to put oil. And you are going to go a little bit heavy on the oil. And then red wine vinegar. Now this stuff is strong, so usually it's 2 parts of oil versus 1 part of red wine vinegar. And then you're going to add a good amount of feta cheese. Greek salad.